Yo, what's up, y'all? What's up, man? Y'all already know it's Khalil. Back with another video, man. Today, man, we're checking out Upchurch and the Dixielanders. I never heard of them. This song right here is called Honeysuckles and Rain. He had just dropped this song, man. We finna see what it's talking about. You new to the channel, man, go ahead and subscribe. Tap that notification bell, man, so y'all can go ahead and join the family. Let's get it.
Lily petals dancing on the new front porch. Gray stroke clouds and a rumbling sound. In the distance, a thunderstorm. The trees are...
Hold on. The way how they first started off with Upchurch singing into the mic. So the other three guys must be the Dixielanders. I see the other two, they got the guitars in their hand, and the other man got the little drums. Hold on, I like the way how it's going so far.
Gray stroke clouds and a rumbling sound. In the distance, a thunderstorm. The trees all swaying cause they just can't wait for the light show coming just to spring to the stage. They sing in every lyric while the limbs all shake.
Bro, that whistling that he's doing inside of the mic, it goes perfect with the rhythm and the tune of the song.
While the limbs all shake. I ain't no poet, just a thought from a place. But if a lyric makes you feel a wish my ink had taste, then you would see why there's a frame in my mind still alive, involving love, honeysuckles, and rain.
Hey, Upchurch said, man, if you go let a lyric get to your head, then you tripping.
In my mind still alive, involving love, honeysuckles, and rain. Excited for another summer, memories keep me covered. Sprinkle sugar on every frame. No need to explain, it might be down here slang, but it's like love, honeysuckles, and rain. Honeysuckles and rain.
Hold on. Hold on, that's the female that started off hitting the I don't know specifically what it's called. But hold on. They turning it up just a little bit.
Sprinkle sugar on every frame. No need to explain, it might be down here slang, but it's like love, honeysuckles, and rain. Honeysuckles and rain. Love, honeysuckles, and rain.
Oh my God.
Love, honeysuckles, and rain.
Hold on, man. I never seen Upchurch sing like this. I have checked out songs with him singing, but singing like this, he's in a whole different tune right here. And then he's singing in sync with the Dixielanders. It's going perfect.
does the soul. The roots of your passion grabbing hold of the soul. Excited for another summer, memories keep me covered, sprinkle sugar on every frame.
These type of songs that you can just chill, lay back, and just be relaxed just from hearing this, man. I'm getting a chill vibe from this. Hold on, she playing the that's not drums, man. I don't know what that's called, but the sound is different.
The roots of your passion grabbing hold of the soul.
Ooh. Huh?
Excited for another summer, memories keep me covered, sprinkle sugar on every frame.
Huh?
No need to explain, might be the downhill slang. It's like, it's like, it's like, it's like love, honeysuckles and rain. It's like, it's like love, honeysuckles and rain.
Hold on, man. Hey, I like this song right here, man. Like I said, it gave me a chill vibe from it. I never seen Upchurch tapping this type of bag. Because if y'all know me from checking out Upchurch, man, we done checked out his rapping ability. And he goes crazy on that side of the end. But this right here, man, he tapped in a whole different bag with him singing. And the Dixielanders, from my first time hearing them, they go insane, man, with their little group that they got. This was Upchurch and the Dixielanders, Honeysuckles and Rain. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about it in the comment section down below. And yeah, man, I'll go ahead and see y'all.